Hey Dieter, what are you doing for Dieter's dinners tonight?
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo, and here's all of our prep work that Dieter did. We got 2 large chicken breasts that we cut up into bite-sized pieces, and we seasoned it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and paprika. That's it. So you're gonna bring that over to your pan, and you're gonna put your pan, you got your non-stick pan today. We don't have our big saucepan. So you're gonna put that on medium, and that's gonna brown for 1 to 2 minutes per side, and then we're gonna take it out. And then Dieter cut up a big red onion. That's gonna go in. And that's about 6 large garlic cloves that Dieter cut up. And over here, we got about a half a stick of butter and fresh thyme. And of course, never forget your Texas toast. That's done last. It only takes 2 to 3 per side. And we got linguine for our pasta. That's going to boil for about 10 minutes salted. And because we have our smaller pan today, we're not going to build the sauce in that pan. We're going to do it in a pot. And that's going to be your heavy cream. You got white pepper and nutmeg and fresh parsley. And yes, Dieter did all this. This is fresh grated Parmesan, and what we don't use, we always put in that bucket. Little dance break there. And the pan is almost hot. Dieter's almost ready to drop that chicken. Okay, Dieter's dropping the bite-sized pieces of chicken. That's gonna cook super quick. 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm going to pull it out. And then you got your onion and your garlic, and then your butter and some thyme. Go in that. And what Dieter's doing is putting the chicken on the edge of the pan because it's going to cook really quick if you put it all in the middle. So all the chicken's in there. It's on medium. And that's going to brown for 1 to 2 per side, and we're going to pull it out. Dieter just took off the gloves. Very good. And we're going to flip that in a minute. You can check. Go ahead and check. We cleaned the tongs, so go ahead and check to see if they're ready to be flipped. They're so small, they cook so quickly. Yeah, if it's brown, flip it. Flip them all. And then we're going to remove it. And then Dieter's got onion and garlic going in. That's looking great. We're going to pull it and set it aside in 1 minute.
Yeah.
Dieter loves to rock out. So Dieter's taking out the chicken, and it's just going to rest. Then you're going to drop your onions, let them cook for about a minute or 2, and then you're going to drop your fresh garlic and let that cook for a little bit. And then you got some butter and thyme to throw in there. Everything is flavored, so you don't get rid of anything. Okay, all the chicken is out and resting. The onion's going to go in. We'll let that cook for a few minutes, and then we're going to add the garlic, and we have some butter and thyme. Dieter's adding the garlic, and that's going to brown for just a few minutes. And then we're going to put our chicken back in, take it off the heat, and then do the sauce in another pot because we're not using our big pan today.
Wait, the other brown. Nudge it, nudge it, nudge it, nudge it, nudge it. Nudge it, nudge it, nudge it, nudge it, nudge it, nudge it.
Okay, so everything is browned up nicely. You can add, you got about a half a stick of butter, and there you go. We lowered the heat to a medium low, and you're going to melt that, and you can put some fresh thyme in. I don't think we need all that, just some sprigs. You can pull that out. It just gives great flavor. And then add your chicken back in after a few sprigs of thyme. And then we're going to take that off the heat to rest. And then we're going to do the sauce and then the pasta. Looks beautiful. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Okay, so the chicken is over here and it's just going to rest. And we put Dider's pot there and we got it on medium. And we're going to add the cream. Sauce Happy Flavor Bomb. And that's going to simmer just for a few minutes. And then we're going to put it on low. And Dider's got the white pepper and the nutmeg there. And fresh parm's going to go in there. The end. And then we're going to add all this yummies right in there. White pepper and a little bit of nutmeg. And then we'll add the parm in a few. Cream is thick, so it doesn't need a lot of simmering. Stir it occasionally. Okay, so we're just waiting for the cream to simmer and then we're going to drop it on low. We got our pasta water on, salted, and that's going to go for 10, and then we're going to throw everything in the pot. Looks amazing. Great job.
Thank you.
So Dider took the sprigs of thyme out. That's waiting, and that came to a simmer. Now it's on super low. And we're going to boil our pasta, and everything's going to go in the pot. Okay, Dider is looking good here. You're going to drop that pasta. Go ahead. Slow and away from your face. And that's going to go for about 10. Then we're going to drain it. And it's going to go right into the sauce. And then Dider's going to add the chicken and we're good. Dider's going to drain the pasta. Slow.
Give me the spat.
Spat. Hold on. Now that pasta is going to go right into the sauce with the chicken, and then fresh parm is going to go in. So you can go ahead and add your chicken, and then a couple handfuls of your fresh parm. Texas toast is in the oven.
Yeah.
We can get that chicken in there and get the pasta in there and ready to go. Everything is in the pot. Mix, mix, mix. And you still got it on low. Here comes the pasta. And you're going to mix that in, and you're waiting on your Texas toast and ready to serve. And there it is, ready to serve. You're going to put a little fresh parm on top and a little bit of parsley. And Dider's going to try it first, a little bit of your parsley. And you got a fork right there to try it first. So let everybody know how it is. Go ahead. Give it a try, see if you can get yourself a piece of chicken. How is your chicken Alfredo? Very, very good. Good job. Good job. What do you say to your friends?
Thank you. Hit like, subscribe. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Hit like and subscribe for Dider. Look at that. Dider approved. Perfect.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.